Welcome to the AI Photo Guide. Today we'll be sharing some simple street photography tips that will help beginners elevate their skills and capture stunning moments on the streets. So let's get started. Tip number 1, observe your surroundings. Before taking any photo, take a moment to study the environment around you. Look for interesting subjects, unique lighting, and captivating compositions. Tip number 2, shoot in manual mode. This gives you full control over your camera's settings, allowing you to adjust the aperture, shutter speed, and ISO according to the specific conditions. Tip number 3, be patient and anticipate the moment. Street photography is all about capturing candid moments. Anticipate when something interesting might happen and be prepared to capture it at the right moment. Tip number 4, use the rule of thirds. This compositional technique helps you create visually pleasing images. Imagine your frame divided into a grid of 9 equal parts and try placing your subject along the lines or at the points where they intersect. Tip number 5, engage with your subjects. Interacting with people on the street can lead to amazing opportunities and more genuine photos. Ask for permission if needed and don't be afraid to strike up a conversation. Tip number 6, experiment with different perspectives. Don't be afraid to get low on the ground or climb up high for a unique viewpoint. A fresh perspective can make your photos stand out from the rest. Tip number 7, practice, practice, practice. The more you shoot, the better you'll become. So grab your camera and hit the streets regularly, challenging yourself to capture the essence of the city through your lens. Remember, great street photography captures the essence of a moment and tells a story. So keep these tips in mind and start mastering street photography today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring photography content.